English-Indonesian. Can you equals.
Bisakah kamu?
Polite requests made easy. Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey you, welcome. This show is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more resources at www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you'll master the English-Indonesian request key. Can you equals.
Bisakah kamu?
We'll keep it light, useful, and funny, because polite can be playful. Your goal today. In just a few minutes, you'll ask for help clearly and kindly. Your core phrase is,
Bisakah kamu?
a velvet key for.
Permintaan sopan.
Add the magic softener.
Tolong.
To sound extra kind.
Tolong, bisakah kamu?
Quick verb spotlight.
Bantu.
Equals help. Try it soon. Mini dialogue, the jar heist. Let's play out a kitchen scene that gets fun fast. You, hey, it's stuck.
Bisakah kamu membuka toples itu?
Can you open the jar? Friend, slippery.
Dapatkah kamu memegangnya?
Can you hold it? You, sure, also.
Bisakah kamu membantu saya dengan ini?
Can you help me with this? Friend, almost there. You, last thing.
Bisakah kamu menjelaskan lagi?
I missed your trick. Can you explain again? At the dinner table, excuse me.
Bisakah kamu mengoper garam?
Can you pass the salt? Formal to a stranger.
Bisakah Anda menunjukkan jalannya?
Can you show the way? Forms and nuances you'll love. You've got options, use the one that fits your vibe. Neutral, polite.
Bisakah kamu?
Alternative modal.
Dapatkah kamu?
Another pattern.
Apakah kamu bisa?
Casual chat.
Kamu bisa.
Formal you.
Anda.
Example.
Bisakah Anda?
Handy full line.
Bisakah kamu membantu saya?
Negative idea.
Tidak bisa.
Equals cannot. Question inversion.
Tidakkah kamu bisa?
Equals can't you. False friend alert.
Bisa.
Equals can, able, but.
Berbisa.
Equals venomous. Your request should be polite, not poisonous. Soundbite. Rhythm to remember. Lock the melody in your head and smile while you say it. Beat it out. Bisakah kamu?
Bisakah kamu?
Rhyme. If you need a hand, say it true.
Bisakah kamu?
Question mark quote. Culture tip. Softer is smarter. Politeness opens doors in Indonesia, literally. Level up with.
Tolong.
Quote.
Tolong, bisakah kamu menunggu sebentar?
Please, can you wait a moment? Gesture helps. A slight head tilt and open palm while saying.
Bisakah kamu?
Quote dot. Bonus travel line.
Bisakah kamu berhenti di sini?
Can you stop here? Quick quiz. Test yourself, tiny quiz, big confidence. 1. What is the Indonesian for, can you? Question mark quote. Answer.
Bisakah kamu?
2. True or false.
Bisakah kamu?
Means, do you have? Question mark quote. Answer. False. 3. Make it formal, can you? Question mark quote. Answer.
Bisakah Anda?
4. Which one is informal?
Kamu bisa.
Or.
Dapatkah kamu?
Answer.
Kamu bisa.
5. Translate. Can you explain again? Answer.
Bisakah kamu menjelaskan lagi?
Challenge round. Now you lead, say it out loud. Library whisper. Can you speak more quietly?
Bisakah kamu berbicara lebih pelan?
Roommate moment. Can you lower the music?
Bisakah kamu menurunkan volume musik?
Window scene. Can you close the window?
Bisakah kamu menutup jendela?
Polite helper pack. Say these 3 in a row.
Bisakah kamu membantu saya? Dapatkah kamu membawa ini? Apakah kamu bisa datang sekarang?
Goodbye and keep shining. You did great, wrap it up with a smile. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Bisakah kamu?
and friends like,
Dapatkah kamu?
and
Kamu bisa.
your polite power-ups for daily life. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Grab more lessons, quizzes, and audio at www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time.